Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing next topic, that is ABL tree. ABL tree was developed by Edelson Willisky Landy, and hence the short form is ABL tree. ABL tree is a self-balancing binary search tree like that we have done red black tree. It make itself balanced by certain rotations. So it is a self-balancing binary tree which is known as an ABL tree. See, this is an example of an AVL tree. In an AVL tree, we are going to find balancing factor of every node. Right? In red black tree, we have fixed the color of every node. In this, we are going to find the balancing node of every balancing factor of every node. How to find balancing factor? Let us suppose this is my node. We are going to start from a newly inserted node. For example, this is the node. The balancing factor of this is the height of left subtree minus the height of right subtree. So in this case, the balancing factor of this node is 0 because it is having no left subtree, no right subtree. Let us take this example 5. The left subtree is having height 1, whereas the right subtree is having height 0. The balancing factor of 5 will be height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. That means 1 minus 0 will be 0. Similarly, in this case, the height of left subtree is 2 and the height of right subtree is 1. So the balancing factor of 8 is 2 minus 1 will be 1. Again, similarly, the balancing factor of this particular node is 1, 2, 3, 4. Height of left subtree is 3 and the height of right subtree is 2. So 3 minus 2 will be 1. It is an ABL tree when the balancing factor of each and every node is either 0 or 1 or minus 1. Then it is a balanced ABL tree. Otherwise, we have to make it balanced by doing certain rotations. So in this, we have to find the balancing factor of every node. And if the balancing factor of all the nodes is between 0, 1 and minus 1, then the tree is already balanced. We will not perform any kind of rotations. Whereas if the tree is unbalanced, we are going to perform rotations based on the node which is unbalanced. Let us see, this is not an ABL tree. For example, let's see the balancing factor of 8. Left subtree is the height 3, right subtree is having height 1. So 3 minus 1 will be 2. So the ABL tree will not have balancing factor 2. So this is not an ABL tree. Why ABL? ABL is a self-balancing binary tree. So the height of that tree will not go beyond log of n. So again we have reduced all the operations can be done in log of n time. So where BST can take O of n time, ABL will always take O of log of n time for every operations. Same as red black tree is also having log of n, log of n height. It is also a self-balancing binary tree. The difference between red black, we will be discussing later the difference between ABL tree and the red black tree. But for now, the ABL is a self-balanced tree. That means in this, the height of the tree will not go beyond log of n. Let's do the operations of ABL tree. The first operation is insertion. How to perform insertion? Number first step is perform standard BST operation. Find the place where the new node needs to be inserted. Like same we have done for BST. Then find the balancing factor. If the tree is balanced, balancing factor is height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. If the tree is already balanced, we will not perform any rotation. How we will get to know that the tree is already balanced? When each node is having balancing factor either 0, 1 or minus 1, then my tree is already balanced. If it is not balanced, then we are going to perform these 4 rotations: left left, left right, right right, right left rotations. So let's see what is a balancing factor. Balancing factor will be the balancing factor of each node will be the height of left subtree minus the height of right subtree. It can be between 1, minus 1, 0. If the height of every node is between 1, minus 1 and 0, then my tree is already balanced. And if it is not, we have to make it balanced by doing certain rotations. For example, this is my tree. we are going to find balancing factor of each node. Let us suppose the A ka balancing factor will be height of left subtree, which is 0, and height of right subtree, which is also 0. So 0 minus 0 will be 0. Again, in this case, the height of left subtree is 1 and the height of right subtree is again 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Again, in this case, the height of left subtree is 0, the height of right subtree is 0. So again, the balancing factor of this node is 0 minus 0, that will be 0. Since every node is having balancing factor 0, so this tree is already balanced. Let us suppose, considering this example, in this case, let us find the balancing factor of A, left height, right height. Left height is 0, right height is 0. So the balancing factor of A is 0. In B, left height is 1, right height is 0. So 1 minus 0 will be 1. In this case, the left height is 2 and the right height is 0. So 2 minus 0 will be 2. Since there is one node which is having balancing factor other than 0, 1 and minus 1, so this tree is an unbalanced tree. For such trees, we have to perform certain rotations. These are 4 rotations: LL, LR, RR and right left rotations. So now we have to so first is we have to find the position of insertion. Second is we have to find balancing factor. If the balancing factor is other than of any node is other than 0, 1 and minus 1, then we have to perform rotations. So this is a rotation number. First case is LL rotations. These are very simple rotations. For example, the newly inserted node is X. It is towards left side, inserted towards left side, and the parent is also towards left of left subtree. So the insertion is towards the left of left subtree. Towards the left of left subtree. So it will be LL rotation. LL rotation. In LL rotation, we have to rotate the tree right. For example, this will come down. So this will be my rotation. X here, Y here, Z here. Let us see again. This is my LL. The newly inserted node is in red color. It is towards left of entire left subtree. So we have identified it is an LL rotation. How to perform a rotation? If it is LL, left side heavy tree, left side heavy means the unbalancing factor is towards positive. It is a left heavy tree, right? So LL rotation means you have to rotate towards right. So the unbalanced node will be rotated towards right. So this will come down and this will be my balanced tree, which is having balancing factor 0. Again, I'm going to see if the newly inserted, I'm going to tell you again, if the newly inserted node is towards the left of left subtree, then it is an LL rotation. Why we are performing rotation? Because it is a left heavy tree. Left heavy means the balancing factor of one node is positive and greater than 1. Right, so it is a left heavy tree. So in case of left heavy tree, we have to perform right rotation of an unbalanced node. C will come down and this will be my new node. Next is RR case. RR case is right. That means if my tree is right heavy tree, that means newly inserted node, it's towards right of right subtree. So this is how we are going to perform rotation. Again, with an right side, insertion is right side, at the right side of a right subtree. See, this is a right side heavy tree because the balancing factor of one node is less than minus 1, minus 2. See, when it is other than 0, 1, minus 1, we have to find the unbalanced node. This is the unbalanced node. When minus is in front of it, that means it is right heavy. When it is positive, that means it is left heavy. If it is right heavy, we have to perform left rotation. This is our case. And we have to perform left rotation. Left rotation, that means unbalanced node will come down. This is my new tree. So we have done 2 rotations, very simple rotations, LL rotation and RR rotation. LL rotation, simple case, if this is the case, you just have to rotate right. This is how we have to rotate. And one is RR case. If this is the case, then you have to rotate towards left and this will be your newly inserted tree. Then next is the LR case. See, LR case is something that the newly inserted node is towards left subtree, right side of left subtree. Right side of left subtray. Right side of left subtray. So this is LR rotation. See, again, let's see. The balancing factor of this will be 0. The balancing factor of this will be -1 because right side it is a tree, and the balancing factor of this is 2. Since the unbalanced node is having positive balancing factor, that means L, and the newly inserted node is towards R, right side. So it will be LR rotation. That means left subtree के right part में insert हुआ है, unbalanced node के left side के right part में insert हुआ है. So LR rotation. In this case of rotation, we have to perform two different rotations. First is left and then is right. The newly inserted node जो है उसके ऊपर we have to see that first we have to perform left rotation of the parent of newly inserted node. For example, we are going to perform left rotation. This will come down and this will go up. This will be my case when B will go up and this. So left rotation towards the parent of newly inserted node. And then we have to perform right rotation of the unbalanced node. See, this is the right rotation. So it will come down. So LR rotation will have two rotations. First is left rotation and then is right rotation. Right. So what in LR rotation, what we are going to see, firstly we are going to check the unbalanced node, right? Unbalanced node is left heavy, so L rotation, and the newly inserted node is towards the right side of a left subtree, so it is LR rotation. So first we are going to identify the three nodes starting from the unbalanced node. These three nodes, the rotation will be around these three nodes. Firstly, we have to perform left rotation and then we have to perform right rotation. Left rotation, this will come down and this will go up, and left rotation, this altogether will come down. We will see, this will be more clear once we are going to do more examples, but for now please check this carefully. Next case is the RL case. RL case means right subtree के लेफ्ट पार्ट में इंसर्शन हुआ, राइट सबट्री के लेफ्ट पार्ट में न्यूली इंसर्शन हुआ, राइट सबट्री के लेफ्ट पार्ट में इंसर्शन हुआ. For example, this is the case, right subtree के left part में insertion हुआ है. Again, this will be RL rotation. So first we have to perform right rotation and then we have to perform left rotation. R rotation on this, so it will come down and this will go up. This will be my case. And then left rotation for the unbalanced node. So this will come down. So these are the four rotations: LL rotation, LR rotation, RR rotation and RL rotations. In case of LL and LR rotation, we just have to perform single rotation. If it is an LL case, we have to perform right rotation. If it is an RR case, we have to perform left rotation. And if it is an LR case, that means we have to perform first left rotation and then right rotation. There are two rotations in this case. And if it is RL rotation, then we have to first perform right rotation and then left rotations. We are going to see the examples. We are going to see the visualization examples of this, but first understand the concepts, check how the rotation is done. Please go through these slides. Tomorrow I will be uploading the example slides. So please go through it. In exam also, you will only be asked about the concept. You will, mostly they will ask you about how the rotation is done. They will be giving you one example to solve. But still, I have given basic cases of pseudocodes. You can check these out. We will discuss this in more detail. Thank you.